We're here at Perillo Downers Grove. We are gonna be looking at my Lamborghini Urus for the very first time. I've been waiting almost a year for this, and it is a super rare Verde Selvans color. I am so pumped. I don't even think it's fully unwrapped yet. Side note, my Lamborghini Aventador that I sold a few months ago happens to be in here for service, so we're gonna go say hi to that as well. Sound like a plan, y'all?
Sound like a plan, y'all.
Shut up, Tommy.
All right, thanks, man.
Oh, I missed. I ordered the cheapest wheels because we already have some 24-inch variant wheels that are gonna look really sexy on
It's
this.
all wrapped up. My favorite thing about a new car is pulling all the plastic off. Oh my god, carbon fenders?
In my brain, this thing was like 80% carbon. I think because I know we spec so
There's
much
a lot
carbon.
in the back, though. That's a lot of carbon for an SUV.
Dude, they're very nice. Can I sit in your car, Steve?
Oh, wow. My head's in the ceiling.
Is that deceiving how you fit?
It actually is very, like, the seats are really comfy. Really impressed.
I bet this looks a lot cooler in the light. It's not doing it justice in
The
here.
fluorescent doesn't really show the color correctly.
Does
but
not.
It's even more brilliant. And the carbon fiber is just fantastic on this.
A lot.
This is more than I've seen on any of the others.
Haha.
Now I understand why you don't want to wide body it.
I mean, it's too many options.
It's too perfect for Lamborghini to modify it.
Speaking of wheels and tires, make sure to shop fitmentindustries.com for some awesome wheels like the ones that you are going to see on this, hopefully in the future. They are amazing, and I am super pumped. And thank you, Variant Wheels specifically, for manufacturing these wheels super quick and at a good price. Thank you.
This color is disgusting. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
You don't like it?
I like the red accents.
Looks like puke.
You look like puke.
I'm really excited. I hope Caroline likes it. That's what I'm most excited for. I want to see Caroline picking up the kids in this thing. It's gonna sound amazing with the Arc Republic exhaust. Yeah, I can't wait. It's really pretty. It turned out great.
I'm like, how much did I spend on all this cover? Look at the exhaust. The exhaust is pretty, and we're going to change it. That's okay. It's going to be louder. And we get to hear it in a second. See how loud it is now, and then we'll compare it. Just remove the seat cover. Look at all that green on the interior. Look at the door panels.
It reminds me of the
Dude.
GTR.
I love a color matched interior so much. Cool stitching too. I don't think we got to fix stitching on this. It's way too quiet. I'm glad I got the exhaust. Way too quiet. We will cut it and it will be glorious. I hope the exhaust system you guys have, is it an actual Lamborghini exhaust system, do you know? Sweet. I hope it's super loud.
Let's put it on the RAV.
It can be very loud, yeah.
Very nice.
There was a moment where Steve was like,
No, there was.
Sell the Urus. I don't
Well,
want it.
they talked about, they're redesigning it, so it's going to be replaced in months, right?
And you'll get new ones.
Supposedly. To the back we go.
Nice. There she is.
And all for glory.
Do you miss it?
No. I mean a little bit. A little bit.
I miss saying that we
This
have...
was like the biggest clout supercar.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
What supercar do I have that it has more clout than this one right here?
765.
Is there one? I don't think so. I think if
Not
people
to the
saw
average
this,
Joe.
that's what I'm saying.
The average, and Steve cares about what the average Joe thinks, not what car enthusiasts think.
Now we are off to go check out the Rezvani motor. They are putting in the brand new motor after the other one fried out after 1,600 miles. They're putting in a brand new red-eye 800 and something horsepower motor, and I'm excited to see what that looks like. The Rezvani is all taken apart. In her natural habitat, the automotive shop, the repair shop. Look at all the stuff they have to remember.
Mechanics are crazy.
This is stressful just looking at this. Mechanics are the shiz. Had to move around some stuff to get this to fit, right?
We did. Yes, the oil pan and some different things.
It looks like if the engine's in, they've already done modification work, right? Now
Yes.
it's just putting it all back together.
How long do you think until you break this one?
We determined if it is a high-performance modified engine, then you guys are breaking it in. If it's a run-of-the-mill, like, I think we're going to do a pretty aggressive, regular tune on this, right?
You're just saying that because you don't care
so.
about the GTR.
Oh, yeah. You guys are breaking the GTR.
Yeah, I know we are.
Go put 1,000 miles on that. I don't care. Like I will never drive that thing. This one is so fun, right? We're not calling it a highly modified engine. It's a factory red-eye motor that came in the Dodge Demon.
Just give it to Natalia for a weekend.
Yeah, that's a good point. Rezvani has actually been working really hard to try to make this right. So I am gonna throw them a bone out there in that they are trying really hard to make this right. So it is improving the taste in my mouth. That is what she said. So yeah. So Rezvani is sending us like some hood inserts so that the hood will drain. They're going to send us a cooling package for the engine that we'll install later. Attitude Performance is going to install some upgraded axles for us. They're going to install the bumper. Oh, and an exhaust. Ogden Motor Cars for all your repair needs. These guys are great. We love them. We use them for a lot of our We are here at SD Wheel. We're gonna mount and balance my Lamborghini Urus wheels. I am pumped. Should be a good time. My Lamborghini Urus wheels arrived a little bit before the SUV did, so we are gonna unbox them, get them mounted and balanced like I usually do. I like to get my hands a little bit dirty. And then we are going to get them installed on the Urus in a few days once we get it here. Just trying to get ahead of the game right now. Amazing packaging. Whoa, dude, they hooked up some free stuff. All right, we got like a swag pack, dude.
Those condoms. Steve, do you want some variant condom?
Yeah, are they really?
Then
Wait, hold on, no, they actually are.
Right? They are actually the condoms. All right, drive hard, ride harder.
the big reveal.
Beautiful, man. I forgot how these look. Matte black face with the gloss lip is kind of what I do.
Especially with how much carbon in the car. Like this will be a cool contrast.
Admittedly, you like every set of gloss matte that I have.
I do.
You like my
Every
765
set.
Ferrari?
Yes, I do.
There we go. That's the trick. I just have to do gloss lip with matte face.
I need black.
P1 wheels coming soon. Oh, Tommy, you failed me,
That
guy.
was you.
I'm too strong for you.
That was you.
Checking the bolt pattern, making sure they are the correct hub circle. We got a 5x130. Is that what the Urus is, for real? Oh, Volkswagen, man. Usually we bring these through our lane, but we have a mounter that's better for 3-piece wheels. We're gonna go use that one. Hunter Road Force is literally the best balancer in the industry. All right, wheels are done. Tommy is gonna go drop them off because I gotta go with my kids from school. And we're gonna go pick up the Urus tomorrow. They threw the exhaust on, we're gonna have the wheels on. I can't wait to see it. It is gonna be such a fun vehicle.
All right, guys, so we just dropped off the GT3RS at Cannonball. The weld has cracked for the exhaust clamp. On the way was Cetera, and new motors in the Resvani at this point, so we're dropping it off for them to tune. Small PP plate, very fitting, Tommy.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I don't see anything.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
That's so dangerous! Oh my god! Wait!
He did the smoke screen. It's literally the whole street.
He's gone! Where'd he go? We only tested it out when it was in park, but I guess that's the... I mean, I guess it does its job. How far is he out? He's all the way over there! Oh my god, that's so dangerous.
It covered both lanes.
That's so small PP of Tommy to do. God damn. Anyway, good for Resvani, but that's like the only cool part of that car.
How bad was it?
It was bad.
I know, the car that was coming on oncoming traffic like had to stop. I felt bad.
He stopped. I stopped for like a minute because I couldn't see where I was going. I'm like, I wonder if he stopped. Like I thought someone was gonna hit me from the back. You know what
She
I'm
said.
saying?
I tell you, I was worried about that a lot.
I was like genuinely scared that I was gonna get hit because I couldn't see anything. I was telling Bailey, if he did that around a corner, you would cause accidents or on a highway or something.
Yeah.
What did that look like from your point of view?
It looked like there was 6-inch visibility behind me. Like it was like nothing. Like you were just dead in the water.
And then you were gone, and I'm like, where'd Tommy
Well,
go?
I'm glad it works. That's good. We made it to Cetera tuning. We got here ASAP. Hopefully it's turned around in a day with a tune that can withstand the way that Steve drives that car. So hopefully we'll do something conservative so we can trailer it, Steve can beat on it, and it won't blow up again.
How you doing?
Good. I'm dropping off the first one for you guys. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Steve just wanted me to make sure that you guys do a conservative tune on it because we will be trailering stuff behind it.
Yeah.
He will be driving it really hard, cold.
Yeah, my approach on it, I'm going to throw a TRX tune in it, essentially, to start with, because it's got a Demon, Red Eye, whatever tune in it from, I'm sure that's all they put in it, so naturally that's more aggressive because the vehicles don't weigh as much, so.
Okay.
Going to start with the TRX, tweak it, make it happy, so it'll be able to tow better and everything
Sounds
like
good.
that, so.
Well, we'll come grab it whenever you guys are done. We just
Awesome.
dropped the 3RS off too, so hopefully it'll line up. You said it's probably a one-day job, hopefully.
This
for
one should be,
Okay.
it
It depends who you run into, obviously.
Yeah, I don't really plan on putting it on the dyno. I'm not looking for numbers or anything. It's
Okay.
more just make
That's
sure
not
she's safe.
exactly, yeah.
So, yeah, it should be done by tomorrow, so
Okay.
I don't see why not.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you, Cetera Tuning. I appreciate you guys. I'm excited to get this car back and working again. We have a back bumper on the way. It should be here in a few weeks. We'll see. That has to be custom fabbed. I'd also like to thank Audi Motorcar for throwing in the engine for us so quickly. You guys always do amazing work. On that note, there's a Mustang with Ferrari lights. that's interesting. And we will see you guys here tomorrow for a new and improved Rezvani with a motor and tune and the whole 9 yards. Let's hope it doesn't blow up.
All right, we're here to pick up the Urus. Paperwork is all signed. We just are gonna, I mean, the only real difference from last time we looked at it is exhaust system is installed. So you gotta make sure you put it in Corsa mode so that I'm not underwhelmed. The goal, the reason why we bought this exhaust was it was from Lamborghini and it maintained the vehicle's warranty. That was important. We'll see, we won't knock it until we get it on the road. But initial thoughts are I'm a little disappointed, and that is what she said.
What's your hype for this car?
Not that you can't
I'm actually
drive
really
it.
hyped for it. I don't have like the only supercar SUV that I have that fits the whole family, right? Rolls Royce is not a supercar. Rezvani's not a supercar. 5-passenger, right?
Yes.
I thought so. I was just verifying. I think this looks really nice in the sun. It's got a lot of carbon. We spec'd it out amazingly. A long ago.
Yeah.
Here it is, sounding a little more quiet than I thought it would, but
It's a cute daddy mobile.
I'm excited.
And we're gonna do new wheels right after this, so stay tuned.
Yes,
and
like
that's
in an hour.
It's gonna be nuts. I think that's really gonna bring it to life. And then we're also gonna paint the calipers in about a month.
Got
I
it.
want to say once things get slowed down in the house
Yes,
production.
there's too much going on.
I'm gonna bring him in and get him painted. We'll do color match the
Green.
Verde Selvans.
Hell yeah. And then my boy Jeff with the G, that's Jeff with the G, is gonna help us install those wheels in a little bit and then sync up those sensors, right, big boy?
Second part's questionable, but
Sensors are iffy, we'll find out about that. I'm disappointed, it sounds so quiet. We're gonna go on the road, and it's even in Corsa mode. If it's loud on the road, I'm actually kinda happy, because then I can pull it out of my house early in the morning, drive it nice and quietly. First time actually ever driving a Urus is now, even though I ordered this thing damn near a year ago. A little bit, but all right. No, dude, that sounds pretty good. Ooh, the seatbelt just grabbed me sexually.
Yeah, seatbelt grabbed me too.
Just grabbed my pee-pee. That shift's really nice. It's definitely no Aventador.
500 miles till empty?
If that's true. All right, we breaking the engine now. Breaking it in, that's what I said, breaking it in. Oh, my phone came out of my pocket.
It's not slow.
It's a nice car. This is a great car. I think my wife will really like this.
I think
I'm gonna drive it a lot. I mean, I'll drive it a lot too.
It's really nice for an SUV. I really like it for an SUV.
I could see this being like second to our daily drivers, our Teslas. I can see it being second most used. Shoot. Is this my only car with massage seats? I mean, I've had them in the past.
Yes.
That's kind of nice.
Are they good?
Wave. Yeah. Yeah. I like this car. I'm more pleased with it than usually. I'm just like, cool, man. It's a cool car. This one I'm enjoying thoroughly. I like it. Go buy a Urus. Oh, we didn't do donuts yet in this. Speeds. Watch. Slow, pull it hard. Wait, hold on. Down. Slow. Faster. Isn't that badass? I've never seen that. 2-speed windows. All right, we gonna try and do some donuts now?
Yeah.
It gets too much traction.
It wouldn't do it. It wouldn't do it.
That's close. Ooh.
It's these tires, bro. We should do it with the new wheels.
It's all-wheel drive. They're brand new tires, so they're getting good traction. I went through water before I came in the lot, which made the tires sticky as hell. But we still tried. That still counts. I mean, it's like driving a supercar that's an SUV. I like it. Still smells like burnt rubber from our donuts. Just took it for the hard drive, and it smells like metal on metal grinding, doesn't that? Ooh,
Oh,
look at
wow.
that, engine cover. Not half bad.
Are you good?
he's down.
What just happened?
I'm done.
Are you okay, bro?
And oh, thanks for filming me. Thank God it's loosening up. Oh my God, have you ever had that happen, a cramp? I like to get my hands a little bit dirty.
Wait, tag Jeff in.
All right, bro. You ready? One wheel, 3% on. I'm done.
Damn, Steve, I think you want to nail this one.
So, of course I did.
I think this
I know,
is
right?
a 7 out of 10.
For a Urus, relative to the vehicle,
I think
they'll do
when
the
the
job.
calipers are paint matched, I think it'll be an
Drop it.
8.5 out of 10. I like the wheels. I don't think they're a
that
home
dude.
run, but they're growing on me. But this is the first time seeing it too. It always takes me a while to like wheels.
We don't even know why I asked him for his opinion on wheels.
We just have very different tastes. I have good taste,
Yes.
he has bad taste.
No. These wheels are from Variant Wheels. These are 3-piece, totally custom wheels. The dude that took care of us, Mike, from start to finish was amazing. If you guys want some 3-piece wheels and you like their styles, that is the place to go. The price was right. They got them to here in a good amount of time before the vehicle arrived, and dude was on top of his game. Mike, thank you, sir. Look at them. They look good. But they do accentuate the ugliness of the calipers. Those will be green in a matter of 30 days or not. I gotta go get my son. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We wanna get to 200,000 subs. Please help us make this happen. Everything we do goes to charity. Everything we do is for you. Thank you.
Is that a bottle full of lube in there too?
I'll take that.
Guaranteed fitment, man. I'm gonna need a little bit bigger than that, bro.